How you doing, Scotty Bear? Back with the first episode of the Totally Stupid Cooking Show. Many friends ask me, how do I survive through the pandemic? And I'm about to share with you my secret. This here is my secret. It's like having a gym in your house. It's one of the most important things I own besides my AirPods. I'm going to show you how to make a meal or a meal replacement or some sort of smoothie to get you over those rough patches. And we're just going to dive right in because, many friends like, I don't have enough time. I say hogwash. So I got me some fresh peaches on sale for 25 cents a pound at Vaughn's. Put a little almond milk in there, get me started. Always use a banana. I love bananas. They're nice. Get a nice cold green one. Give it a nice taste to it. And many of my friends are like, Scott, I'm too busy to eat healthy. I say it's impossible. I'm a busy guy. I always eat healthy. Put that in there, a little bit of vegan protein. I also love with my peaches is some blueberries. And then, of course, this is a lunch smoothie. Something to hold me over here. I usually try to eat maybe one meal a day. Ooh, that looks like a good one. We're gonna put a little bit of water in there. I don't like to endorse any of these products, but this one here is a pretty decent one. All of them are about the same. They're just blenders here. We're gonna go ahead and fire it up. You need to put the little baton. Oh no, it's getting difficult. Get a little workout. Sometimes you gotta help it get started. Get a pre-workout. I like to try to let it blend completely. Almost done. I think so too. The good news here is that lunch is served. Get a little extra there, yumminess. What I like about this is it's almost... That's good. But anyway, the dishes are almost done. Because at the end of it, cleans itself. Thanks for watching the Stupid Cooking Show.